First of all, I express my sincere thanks to the organizer of this generative AI workshop and the instructor for providing us an opportunity to do this project on generative AI. I am excited to present our project Nexora, an innovative AI powered solution that transforming how students access information and support. Nexora isn't just another chatbot, it is an intelligent knowledge companion that breaks down language barrier and makes institutional information accessible to everyone, anywhere, anytime. Now, I will talk you through how we built a system that reduces response times from hours to seconds, supports multiple Indian languages, and learners from every interaction to become smarter and more helpful. Let me start with a question. How many of us have spent hours searching for simple information across multiple websites and Google Documents and other resources? This is exactly what our IITM BS students face daily. Our research revealed that some critical challenges. Critical information is scattered across the main website, discourse forum, Google Docs, PDFs, etc. Students had to spend more time for their answers. Nearly 60% of the students prefer asking their questions in their native language, but most support systems only work in English. This creates an accessibility gaps. Students have to wait for hours to get their answers to common questions that even asked hundreds of times before. So this creates the unnecessary uh, stress, especially during the time of admission period and the exam time period. So as a solution of these problems, we built a AI chatbot called Nexora. So Nexora, your knowledge companion in every language. Nexora is an end-to-end AI-powered support system that combines the power of large language model, voice interaction, multilingual processing, and intelligent knowledge retrieval. But what makes Nexora special isn't just the technology, it is how we have designed to understand the context. Imagine having knowledgeable friend who speaks your language fluently, remember your previous questions, understand your academic context, is available 24 by 7, and know when to contact you with human expert. So that exactly what Nexora delivers. Nexora addresses every challenge we identified with innovative features. We have created unified knowledge base that aggregates information from all official sources, website, documents, and so on. Our multilingual AI supports Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and other more Indian languages. A student can ask questions in their native language and receive responses with perfect context preservation. Nexora provides instant response to 90% of queries. For complex questions that requires human expertise, we have built an intelligent acceleration system that routes queries to the right person with full context. We didn't stop here. We have added advanced features like voice interaction, accessibility, sentiment analysis, and document upload. Whenever change our we have implement new rules, then we can easily upload it to our system to get the more concise answers. Now we turn to our exact project where I will demonstrate our project. So this is our home page of the project Nexora. So here we have implement the two ways to communicate our project, either by chatting by typing a text or by calling a number. This is a new feature that we have implemented, that we have to call this number and we can ask the queries. Okay. Now, as we are using the free version of this, so we get a US based number. So if you call, we have to pay the international charges. As we bought the pro version, so we get an Indian number. So this is available for only international calls. Okay. Now first we log in to chat with this one. So here for demo purpose, we have implement the two users. One is the admin, the other is the user here. So first we will log in with the admin. Okay. Once we log in with the admin, we get this dashboard. So here we have the admin dashboard, the queries, we can search our queries, ingest, we can add the new data to our system, and the resources, whatever the data we have used, that display in the resources. So first of all, we chat with our Nexora. So here we type some question, we get some answer. So we'll type here, what is the structure of BS degree program. So it's a thinking here and we get answer. So it gives the answer here. The BS degree program structure consists of 4 levels: the foundation level, diploma level, and the BSc level and BS degree level, with the respective credits: 32 credits for foundation and 54 credits for diploma level, and so on. Now, as I told that it's a multilingual system, so we can type a question in other regional language. For example, if we retype the same question in the other regional language, for example, the Tamil. So what is the course structure? What is the structure of BS degree program? Okay, and if we send to this one, so it analyze and give the answer. So it's a thinking, and then we get the answer here. So see, whether we type a question in English language or in Tamil language, we get the similar answer. So the structure of the BS degree program: foundation level, which has the 32 credits, and the diploma level, the diploma in programming, diploma in data science, with the options, the subjects, and the BSc level with 28 credits, and so on. So it's a multilingual power system. So we can use any other language also, either Marathi, Telugu, etc. So this is one feature that we implement, that either we can type in any other language. Also we have implement the voice interaction. So for voice interaction, just we have to click here, but while recording I am using my mic here, so this mic is not available here to access this So now come to this one, the dashboard. In the Nextdoor dashboard, we will find here the total number of queries that is asked till now, and the knowledge base, how many documents or how many information we have added in the knowledge base, and if there is any pending question that is going to ask the question but it is not available in the knowledge base. Okay, then it's escalate to the admin, and that will show here the number of pending questions and the number of languages used here. Okay, so students use how many language to ask their queries. So till now, we asked the queries in the 3 different languages. Then knowledge sources, how many database we have. Uh, so we have 21 uh, knowledge database. So from that 21 knowledge database, the Nextdoor is preparing an answer to the queries and the total number of chunks and like that way. Okay. So here the language distribution is there. How many students are using English language to ask their queries, that is mentioned here. How many students they are asking their queries in the Tamil language, in the Marathi language, etc. So this is all about the admin dashboard. Here the queries, the whatever the students they are asking the queries, that will mention here the queries here. If the query is answered, then it is flagged with this blue one, the query is answered. If there is a query that is not answered by the Nextdoor, that is also flagged here with unanswered query. Okay. Then admin can search the query and try to give the answer from here. Okay. And then next ingest here we can add the new content to in our database. So either we can input the text here directly just by clicking this one, and you can input the text, or we can upload a document, complete document file, either it's a PDF, Word, Excel, or any text file. Okay. Then we can add into the our database, or just we can provide a link of the website. It is scrap the content and store in the database, and it's a source. So whatever the database we have added, that will be shown here. The, for example, MTech and MS information, okay. The BS and BSc degree level courses, that is stored here. The course set in the program. So either here we can view these informations, and we can also delete it. So we can perform the we can either view or we can delete these information. So this is all about our the Nextdoor project. So thank you for your attention. Thank you.